are unusual for this period of history.
Hi everyone. Hi, I haven't had a lot of time to do too much work this week, but I will show you what I've gotten so far. I've started both the back and front of the body of the doll. It's going to be green satin. This is going to be the back. This is from a vintage Hawaiian shirt. I do like the Hawaiian fabrics. For the front, I mixed it up with a parrot theme. So it still has kind of a tropical theme. And then again, it's going to be green satin on the head part. We'll see what comes from it. And I hope everyone's having a good week. And I guess tune in next week to see the finished product. Woo! If you're looking for any of my other dolls, the link will be down below in the description. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.
Colin Cthulhu, number 12. Well, this issue was actually inspired by thinking about two things, pornography and terrorism. As an old school H.P. Lovecraft fan, I have watched over the years a Cthulhu not just becoming a figure of cuteness, but also becoming sexy. Here's an example of a Cthulhu pin-up miniature that I painted recently. And this is from something that was supposed to drive you mad by merely existing. Well, the other thought I had was, well, you know, these acts of terrorism we see, suicidal terrorism, I have to wonder just how much of it is because of young incels who are sexually frustrated and want to take out their frustration against the world because they figured they're never going to get laid. So it made me wonder if a monster, a kaiju, a Cthulhu, or a not Godzilla was able to get out their sexual frustrations, would they need to destroy Tokyo? Would they need to drive the world mad? Or, you know, would it sublimate their more destructive urges? So that's what this comic is about. It's adults only. Thank you.
So I'm going to read two poems by Adel Souto. The first one is called Stop. The papers, they come. Hand over body, but time to sleep. I adore the night, yet want to stare into the sun. I need rest, bare in space. Let us sleep now. The second one is Go Past It. Walk rampant through time, unsettled towards the sun. I weep in the right light with bright eyes. There is nowhere to go but forward. Again, that's Adel Souto.
Please consider supporting our channel by joining us at Patreon.